Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you set new ringtone with every phone call you receive. So for that, you just need to install an app. As an Android user, you can just go to Play Store app, and in the top search bar, you can search for Ringtone Randomizer. And now just install this app. Now just launch this app. Give permissions. Now click the bottom left, the plus icon. Now you can select any of these ringtones. Just like any of these you want. And click the top left add. And by this, all the ringtones that you have chosen will shuffle whenever you get a call. So guys, that's how you can set new ringtone with every phone call. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.